Welcome! In this session, we'll walk you through Uzbekistan's medical device classification system and how it impacts your market entry strategy. Uzbekistan's healthcare market is expanding rapidly. Before any device reaches hospitals, clinics, or patients, it must be placed into the correct regulatory class. This classification is critical. It determines the level of review, the documentation required, and even how long approval will take. Uzbekistan follows a risk-based system, much like the European Union. The higher the risk of the device, the stricter the requirements. If a product is incorrectly classified, it can lead to delays or even outright rejection of your application. There are four main categories. Class 1 covers low-risk products, such as bandages or manual instruments. Class IIA includes medium-risk devices like ultrasound machines or infusion pumps. Class IIB is for medium to high-risk products, such as anesthesia equipment or lenses. Finally, Class 3 represents the highest-risk devices like stents, pacemakers, and defibrillators. There are two main registration routes in Uzbekistan. First, the full national registration. This requires appointing a local authorized representative, submitting a full dossier for evaluation, and approvals usually take 6 to 12 months. The license is valid for 5 years. Second, the simplified or recognition route. If your device already has approvals from trusted agencies such as the FDA, MHRA, PMDA, or MFDS, you may qualify for fast-track approval in as little as 15 working days. Uzbekistan also mandates digital labeling using GS1 data matrix codes. These must include GTIN, serial numbers, and crypto codes. The deadlines are February 2025 for serialization and November 2025 for aggregation. However, exemptions exist for certain devices if no local equivalent is available. At OMC Medical, we make your market entry seamless. We provide local presence and representation, manage complete dossiers, translations, and submissions, and help you leverage simplified routes for faster approvals. We also handle compliance for packaging, labeling, and GS1 requirements. With our global expertise and deep local knowledge, we ensure your medical device reaches Uzbekistan smoothly and compliantly. Partner with OMC Medical for a smooth, fast, and fully compliant entry into Uzbekistan's healthcare market.